Hello, what's up? What's up? How are you? Yeah, hope you're doing good. Yeah, buddy, this banner only 4 hours left. Yeah, 4 hours and 7 minutes. Yeah, we've done a little bit summoning in this step up banner, but yeah, some says he's not that good, some says he is really good actually. So we're just gonna give it a try, yeah. After this video, we might come up with Kimeromon performances in Battle Park. So without further ado, let's see what we get. Okay, we're just gonna do this quick. Okay. So the step 4, 150 ruby. Let's do this. Alright. Hope that there'll be no good Digimon gonna come after this, and that's a rainbow butterfly, guys. Let's see what we get. Hope that we can get something good out of here. Alright, buddy. That's always a good sign, buddy. What are we getting? And it's a featured one. Oh no. No, don't make us happy today, Bandai. Don't make us happy today. I mean, just one multi again? Come on, Bandai. You gotta do better than this. You need to give us rainbow in our 5th multi. And there we go, guys. Oh man. I don't regret in summoning him in this hour. In this late hour. Yeah, so we can do a little bit of showcase about him later, right? Oh man, we are so glad to have him. Well, I guess this is it for today's videos. I hope you enjoy and hope you can click like and subscribe for more videos as usual. Thank you.